Gareth, what's that?
Huh?
What's this?
Huh?
What is that? Kayak?
There's a kayak, yeah. What's the sound there?
Yes.
You make movie.
Yes, I
Oh,
make a
you
movie.
make movie.
Yes. So this is the floating company,
Well-
Dekker Zero Company.
Decasero Shipyard.
Yes.
Huh?
Ltd. Founded in Holland, near Schiphol.
But the shipyard is going broke because no epoxy.
No, I'm going to buy it in afternoon.
Okay.
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 So, how many meters is that? 6? Yes, it's 6 meters, and it's going to fly under the flag. It's going to float under the flag of Albania,
Oh my. Ja, Albania.
but
Albania.
but registered in Panama.
Zo'n heel caravan camping.
Yes.
Shahiste
So this is the kayak shipyard in Xamil Caravan Camping.
Don't go too close because no one will buy. You better make this if it is finished, no?
No, it's step by step.
Now,
Hey,
Alexander,
Dad.
look.
Yes,
You come.
Babi.
Now you come. You can remember this?
yes,
Yeah?
I know
Now,
that.
This same, no?
Yes.
See? Done.
Yes, but that's stuff from Holland and not from Albania.
You get me some of Albania.
Okay.
Huh?
Yes.
Babi, pamain de kamer.
Po.
But please don't buy wrong stuff.
No.
Huh?
Otherwise, I will.
You tell about this.
Yes.
He's putting 2 pieces of wood together, 5 minutes wait,
Done.
it sticks and it fills.
Done. And then go to the sea.
Yeah, but please don't bring me this wrong stuff.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
See? Here. Problem solved.
Yes, I see.